Alright, let's take a look at number 1. So first step, we need to solve for one of the variables. We can solve for any one of these four, but we always want to look for the easiest one. And the easiest one is going to be the variable that has a coefficient of 1. So it's just a 1x right here. That's the best one to solve for. So to get that x by itself, we're going to add 4y to both sides. We get x equals 4y plus 7. So from there, after we solve for one of the variables, we're going to take what we get for that variable and substitute it into the other equation to replace that variable. That way, what ends up happening is we get one equation that just has one variable. Then we can solve it. So this 4y plus 7 is going to go in the place of x into that equation. So instead of 2 times x, we're going to have 2 times 4y plus 7. So this is just taking the place of that. So instead of x, we're putting the 4y plus 7 in its place. Then everything else in the equation stays the same. So we have minus 5y equals 11. Now we just have this one equation with just y in it. We can solve that. First, let's distribute. We get 8y plus 14 minus 5y equals 11. We can combine like terms. We get 3y plus 14 equals 11. Now get y by itself. So we subtract 14 from both sides. And then divide both sides by 3. We get y equals negative 1. Don't forget, we're not done yet. Sometimes you get the impulse, we get y equals, x equals, we think we're done, but we have to find the point, the ordered pair where these two lines intersect. So we have an x value and a y value. So to find the x value, we're just going to take the y value that we found and put it back into the equation that we solved for before. X equals 4 times negative 1 plus 7. So x is negative 4 plus 7, which comes out to 3. So our final answer, we want to write it as an ordered pair. The point that's a solution to both equations. The point where those two lines intersect is 3, negative 1.